Hello all, so today I'm going to talk about cats, right? The animal, cats. Because I saw in this clip, the cat actually opens the refrigerator and takes one of the meat. So it's pretty funny when your animal becomes smart, or smarter than you. You come home, there's no food, because your animal got it, and you're wondering why. So one of the person hit a camera and here Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's pretty funny. Animals becoming smarter than humans. Anyways, that's my talk today. Leave your comments and I'll talk to you later. Bye.